All right, guys, good evening, everyone. And tonight I'm going to make what we call golden milk. All right, it is a great drink before bedtime, great anti-inflammatory drink, and let's get started. Okay, now the first thing we're going to use almond milk, and I chose vanilla almond milk because I like a little flavor with mine. But you're going to basically take a cup of almond milk. So if I don't pour it out, let's see if I can get it in here. Cup of almond milk, pour it in your pan, all right? Now, after that, we're basically gonna take a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. You got that there? Put it in there, all right? Then, after that, we're basically just put a little bit of ginger in it. Right, I'm just going to shake some in there. There we go. Ginger, ground ginger. And then we got my turmeric. Right? And the turmeric calls for basically 1/2 teaspoon. Right? We'll put that in there. I might use a little more than that because I like turmeric. Alright? Right there. Boom. Alright? Now, after that, excuse me, gonna put a little coconut oil in it, all right? And what you want to do is basically about 1/2 teaspoon of coconut oil. Yeah, use my finger. Boom. All right. And then one other thing, all right, just to give it a little sweetness, I'm gonna use some stevia, all right? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put about 1 teaspoon of stevia in there. Just to help give it a little something, alright? Last but not least, we're going to add some pepper, right? And it just says just a pinch of pepper. Just put a little pepper in there. That's what activator gives the turmeric something to activate. So it basically your body utilizes it easier. And then we gotta let it heat up, stir it all together, be ready to drink. All right, guys, you whisk it while it heats up, all right? And one thing I forgot to do, you're gonna put just a splash of Himalayan pink sea salt in it, all right? And you just, there, just a pinch. Keep stirring. All right, guys, you don't want to quite bring it to a boil, but you just want to get it hot. And that's what the end product looks like. I'm going to let it cool off just a little bit, and then we will take a drink. All right, guys, I've poured it in my cup, and I'm going to add a little heavy whipping cream to mine. After we've done that, guess what? Here we go. Bottoms up. Still a little warm right now, but it is really good. All right, so like I said it's a great way to get turmeric in, cinnamon, coconut oil, the whole works. All right, so I'm gonna go enjoy, and you guys have a good rest of your evening.